Hey there, TrueHost Academy family. In today's video, we'll show you how to advertise your business online for free. That's right, free. If you're a business owner, especially one working with a tight budget, stick around because these tips will help you maximize your marketing without spending a dime. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about Google Business Profile. It's a free tool from Google that lets you manage how your business appears on search and maps. Think about it. When someone Googles your business, they see all the key details like your address, hours, and services. This is super important for local businesses. How do you set it up? Well, it's simple. Sign in with your Google account, create your profile, enter your business details, and verify it. Once you're verified, make sure to optimize your profile by adding photos, a logo, and regular updates. Engaging with customer reviews also helps you stay connected. Moving on to claiming online listings. Think Yelp, Yellow Pages, and other directories where your business can appear. Being listed in these places helps improve your visibility and even your SEO ranking. Make sure your information is consistent across all platforms, and don't forget to add a bit of flair, like photos and business descriptions. Also, encourage happy customers to leave reviews. The more accurate and appealing your profile is, the more customers you'll attract. Next, let's tap into the power of social media. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and TikTok offer incredible opportunities for businesses to connect with their audience for free. Here's a quick breakdown. 1. Facebook is great for building communities and customer service. 2. Instagram is perfect for sharing high-quality images and videos. 3. LinkedIn helps you network with professionals. 4. And TikTok can give your business a viral moment if your content is creative enough. Don't be shy, post regularly and engage with your followers. One awesome way to boost engagement is by encouraging user-generated content. This is when your customers share reviews, photos, or videos of your products. Not only does this build trust, but it's free promotion from your happy customers. You can encourage UGC by running contests or simply asking customers to tag your business. People love seeing real-life experiences, and it brings an authentic touch to your brand. Next up, reviews. Did you know 90% of consumers read online reviews before visiting a business? Yep, reviews are the new word of mouth. Ask your customers to leave positive reviews on platforms like Google or Yelp. The more positive reviews you have, the more visible you'll become in search results, and that can lead to more business. Plus, responding to reviews shows that you care about customer feedback. And there you have it, folks. Those are some solid ways to advertise your business online without spending any money. In conclusion, promoting your business online doesn't have to break the bank. By setting up a Google Business Profile, claiming online listings, leveraging social media, encouraging user-generated content, and gathering rave reviews, you can significantly boost your online presence, all for free. These strategies will help you connect with more customers, enhance your credibility, and grow your business without spending a dime. Remember, consistency and engagement are key, so take these steps and watch your business thrive online. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more amazing content from TrueHost Academy. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.